Hello YouTube, this is a unboxing video for the Great Plains F86 Sabre. It's a micro electric ducted fan ready to fly jet. It comes fully assembled and completely equipped. Everything is installed. All the servos, links, everything. It has a brushless motor, 6 amp electronic speed control, and hyperflow ducted fan, which really gives it impressive jet performance. Also included is the Tactic 2.4 gigahertz radio system. The servos are digital. It's got a 7.4 volt LiPo battery, and even comes with AA batteries for your transmitter. These go for about $135 to $165. It's an all-foam jet, and it's impressive to fly. Now we'll get into the contents of the box. Opening the box, you can see that it's packaged up pretty good. I actually did a pre-opening on it, but this is exactly how it was as I opened it for the first time. The jet itself, right here we've got the wheels for it, F86 on the packaging. And here is the jet. Total weight of the jet is about 15 ounces. It comes with some pretty good detailed graphics. It is a 4-channel radio. You've got rudder, ailerons, flaps, speed. It's built rather well. And this is the charger for the unit. 12 volt DC only. I don't see anything for AC current. This is the cable to plug in your cigarette lighter. And here is the battery. Now, here's your Tactic 2.4 gigahertz remote. Doesn't have the big bulky antenna on the top, and it has really good range for a basic radio that comes, you know, in an RTF unit. I have no complaints. Took it out as far as the nitros without any issues whatsoever. Now with this one, I also did purchase an extra battery. This may be something you may want to think about too. They're about $6 for an extra battery, so you can fly one, charge one at the same time. And a nice instruction manual. So overall, the performance of the jet is impressive. Depending on the amount of batteries will determine the length of your flying for it. It's recommended to hand toss the unit versus putting the wheels on it and doing a concrete takeoff. Just easier. Throttle it, you know, about halfway up and hand launch it real simple. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel, George Manoli, and I'll post new videos as new things come along. Thank you.